Alright, let's give those thumbs a hand. I know it's early, I'm looking at you. There we go. Keep in mind the air drone is